So welcome to this brief guide to the AS Sociology exam. I hope you find it useful. All the information on these slides is adapted from the AQA website, and I suggest that you check out the AQA website for further information about the exam structure and advice. AS Sociology is assessed via 2 exam papers. Both are 90 minutes and both are out of a total of 60 marks. Paper 1 consists of education with methods in context, and paper 2 consists of research methods and one topic within sociology. And if you're one of my students, you'll be doing families and households as your topic for paper 2. So here we have an overview of the questions in paper 1, and for this paper you've basically got 5 questions on education and 1 question on methods in context or applied research methods. And time-wise you're looking at about 1.5 minutes per mark. Here's the first 3 questions in the education paper. And for the education paper you get 1 booklet and you're expected to write your answers below the questions. It's not the purpose of this presentation to go into strategies about how much you should write and exactly how to address the different action words for the various 3 questions. We'll cover all of that in class. Question 4 is a mini essay basically, and you should spend a good 15 minutes on this. You need to pick 2 very different factors and analyse both factors, and once again we'll cover exactly what analysis means and look at exemplars in class. It's really worth nailing this particular question because if you can get this right, it forms the basis for writing good longer essays. Question 5 is your first long essay, 20 marks, 30 minutes. I recommend spending about 5 minutes planning. This is the standard plan we use in my classes, and the example here draws from 2 areas of the course: social groups, class, gender, ethnicity mainly, and processes within schools. Expect this in the exam, a question that draws from 2 different areas of the course. And don't forget to actually read the item and apply some material from the item. Just use the stuff in the item as hooks to form the basis of 1 or more of your points in your essay. Most students aren't fans of methods in context questions, and in fairness they are quite difficult. For these questions you need to relate the method to the topic under investigation. And to be on the safe side, I recommend covering theoretical, practical and ethical aspects of the method. Make sure you get down things like reliability, representativeness, time, money, confidentiality and so on. But you need to talk about these in the context of the type of topic you're studying. In this case, people with unauthorised absences. And to do that effectively you need to read the item and try and select 3 to 5 features of the topic under study. And you need to make the 2 talk to each other. The method needs to talk to the topic. And it's very hard to plan these questions in advance because the examiners will deliberately select something that's obscure that we probably haven't covered in the course in order to test your ability to actually apply the method to something new within education. So they're not easy, so we'll have to cover these in class. And here's an overview of the questions in paper 2. There's 1 section on methods consisting of 2 questions, and if you're one of my students, the topic you'll be doing is families, and there are 5 questions within the family topic section. Something else worth mentioning is that for paper 2 you get 2 separate booklets. You get a separate question booklet and you have to write your answers in a separate answer booklet. Here's a quick look at the short-ish method section, but don't rush it. So one short answer question, 6 minutes on that, and one essay, about 25 minutes on that. And for the methods question, stick to the T-pen structure, theoretical, practical, ethical, nature of topic, and get in positivism versus interpretivism, and we'll cover the exact methods, strategy, essay writing thing in class. And for your topic section, ignore all the other topics. You're only doing the 5 questions for families and households, and the structure for this section is the same as the structure for the education section of the education exam. So you've basically got 5 questions, and the action words are the same, in the same order as for the education section, so follow the same advice. See, maybe the examiners don't hate you that much after all. Maybe they're trying to be kind here. And here's some final revision advice. Basically, know what you need to know, do revision notes, and practice using past papers or exemplars. In short, do some work.